You can see, I am really tired. I had 8 a.m. meetings today. They do not make me happy. Although my 7 a.m. meeting was canceled, so that's a win. Yay! Today we're going to do some Airflow stuff. The original plan was to just do PRs, and because the PR review dashboard was supposed to be like completely done and working. However, after the PR review dashboard live stream, found a whole bunch of issues with that. We found a small security bug in the Spark PR review dashboard. Or, well, bug feature. We found something complicated in the Spark PR review dashboard. Later fixed it, and it's good. So I'm going to update the Airflow one. And we'll hopefully make that work. And then I'll do that really quickly though, because I know that we're mostly here for PRs on Airflow itself. So what I'll do is I'll update that. I will go ahead and do another thing with buttons. I'll update my existing Airflow PRs, and then we'll do some other stuff. Actually, I'm going to do this in a different order. I'm going to update my existing Airflow PRs. Then if there's time, I'll update the PR review dashboard for Airflow so it's working again. And then after those are both done, I'll maybe look at making a new Airflow PR. And so with that, let's go ahead and jump into my little talky thing. Okay, so update this. Cool. And let's go look at my Airflow PRs. Okay. So that's going to be github.com Apache Airflow. Then we go pull requests, author. Why is it making loud noises? Sorry. Oh yeah, that's my phone to remind me to wake up to go to work. I should really change the time of that alarm now that I do 9 a.m. live streams. Okay. So this is listed as approved. Interesting. I mean, that's good, but... Or wait, no, not approved. No, it passed the Travis CI build. Okay. So no one has had a chance to review this, and it's out of date. So that's good though. We'll go ahead and try and fix this. So we're gonna go. Do I have Airflow on this machine? I do not. Okay. We're gonna go to my fork. Yeah. Fine. Oh, it's just incubator Airflow. Okay, git remote. Okay, git branch. Cool. Git checkout master. Git pull. Apache GitHub master. I'm gonna go look at the Airflow contributing guide. Is there a contributing.md? Do they say anything about if they prefer merge rebase? Fuck. They prefer rebases, which is totally reasonable, but also makes dealing with it way more work. What? Okay. Cool. That's good. Let's go ahead and make that happen. So rebase master. Well, yeah. Cool. Oh, man. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna just check the audio really quickly. Yeah, it looks like it's working just fine. Okay, so that's kind of weird. Get rebase dash support. I'm gonna get branch, get checkout dash B, and just make a backup branch really quickly. Dash backup. Just in case I screw up. My rebase, because I'm not as confident about that. Okay. Oh, okay. And this is just one of the joys of open source, is that shit will get out of date, and then you just get to update your work again. Cool. That looks good. Those two were in init. Macros init.py. Okay. Oh. Operators init.py. And sensors. Cool. Can I do that? Okay. Ah, fudge. Okay. Okay, I think this is just going to be the same thing, and we'll just do it again. I just didn't have the latest HUD, but that's fine. Sensors, operators, macros, and this one is hooks. Oh. Does this work, or should I just... Okay, cool. So there we go. We updated that PR, but since this PR got to the point where it got out of sync before it had a chance to be reviewed, let's go ahead and find someone. CC I am interested. Let's go ahead and take a look at the git log on Airflow hooks in init.py, and this could give us an idea of someone else we could ping for review. Let's double check that's actually the person's username. Oh, and that's probably why it didn't go anywhere. I think I picked the wrong username. Who else works on this? Airbnb. Yeah, let's ping someone. Okay, yeah, let's try Kevin Yang. Yang? I want to... Not super sure. Okay, let's go Kevin Yang. So here's what I'm going to do. GitHub.com, Apache Airflow. Since I don't know what their GitHub username is, let's go into commits. Cool, and we can ping these two people since they've both worked in this recently. So then we'll go over here. Dismiss. Y'all seem to have worked on the related files recently. Any of you chance to review, I'd appreciate it. Okay, cool. And so this way, hopefully, one of them will have the time to take a look, and then we can get this this PR up and going. Ted Mason could also probably be a good person because they clearly looked at the PR last time, but they didn't have a chance to do anything about this. This looks cool though because it's got some docs on how we can test a Travis on our fork. Interesting. I want to go see if I already have Travis running on my fork. That would be fun. My username is Holden K. Incubator Airflow. Is my GitHub username Holden K? I'm pretty sure it is. Let's sign in with GitHub. Yeah. Authorized Travis Pro. Oh, this is the new Travis rather than the Travis.ci. This is... Okay, yeah. So this is me. So I have Travis GitHub new version installed. Let's go find profile. And GitHub integration. Activate. Boop, boop, boop. Approve and install. Cool. So I'll get new Travis, yay, on all of my repositories. Also yay. And so then let's go find incubator. Let's go find Airflow. Why is it not? I have an incubator Airflow fork. Why is it not finding my fork? Oh. I'll turn that on. Oh, Rainbow Travis. Yay. That's nice. But maybe this will just take some time. That's totally fine too. Yeah, okay. It's just taking some time to bring in all of my repos. That's fine. Okay, so it'll probably take a little bit of time. And then I can have Travis on my own fork. So that'll be great. Okay. Fun, happy times. Okay. Let's go find my other pull request and update that. Oh yeah, sorry, I should keep an eye on comments in case anyone takes a look. Oh, okay, I need to do some buttons for my day job, but that's all right. Wait, I'm super confused. Hold on. Okay, cool. There we go. Oh, this one failed. Let's go take a look. Yeehaw. Sure. Hey. Sorry about this. Had some more stuff. God, OSS. Oh, it takes now. Cool. And so it's just like, hey, I'm sorry it took me so long to get back to this. I just have a day job. So let's go take a look at the Travis failure, because I'm not super sure what's going on over here. Where's it failing? Okay, that's not great. Well, I hope there's logs, because it was 27 days ago. So there. Oh, thank you, Travis. Thank you for keeping these logs. Where did it fail? Let's go exit 1 often. No, that's just printing out the script. I don't need the script printed out. I just need to know. Exited. There we go. Invocation command failed. That doesn't make sense. Well, let's go find. Oh. Like, I'm not. Okay, let's go take a look at the comment. Maybe it'll give me a better idea. Okay, well, so maybe is this one done? Oh, it got merged. That's nice. Ooh, I can run my Travis test locally. Oh, that's exciting. I think if I rebase this, I'm not super sure about this one though. Like, I don't think. Okay, what my PR here was adding a missing Python test dependency of Flake8 and Tox. And so it should be okay here, but I'm not so sure. Like removing Flake8 from Tox does not seem like a good idea. Okay, line 98. What's on line 98? There's nothing on line 98 anymore. So it's possible that this would now work, because this has been changed. So I'm going to just try and rebase this one and see what happens. Wait. Once again, I'm going to go... Oh, okay. Ooh, that's not good. Okay. Diverged is not happy. Git fetch origin. Reset. Yeah. That's my branch name. Hard. I'm confused. What's the difference? Oh, it looks like just the other one's been updated. Okay. Git rebase master. Git push dash dash force with lease. Okay. Small thing. That'll maybe work. I hope it works. Okay. So that's 2 quick PRs. Just updated. Nothing new, but just the existing PRs were updated. I'm going to go ahead and make update to the PR review dashboard and sort of re-enable it. And then I'll do it so that it only affects new PRs, so it'll affect mine when we make a new PR next. Because we got 23, we have a bit of time, and I'm pretty sure I can make this work. What brand? Fuck. CP. Cool. But that's all kinds of sadness. So git branch, git checkout master, git pull, git remote. Fuck, I don't want to merge. Okay. Git diff origin master. Fudge. Fine. Git remote. Git remote. Okay. Git rebase Databricks master. Git push dash dash force with lease. Oh, wait, but git fetch Databricks. There we go, yeah. And now, one of the other things that, so we're going to go back into this Spark PR dashboard, settings.cfg, git branch, water, settings.cf, it's a template, fuck. Sorry, I just live streamed a password by accident, because it's been one of those kinds of mornings. I'm going to just go ahead and reset that password. Sorry. No one do anything bad. That would make my life mildly inconvenient. So yeah, logging into Jira, where try live stream the password of the Jira bot. Go profile, change password, and we'll go ahead and yep, that's the one. And I'm going to go ahead and generate a new password over in the other window where you can't see it. Okay, and so just updated the password there. I'm just going to go ahead and update my settings. Other window. Super quickly. Sorry about that. It's the joys of doing it live. And I've been meaning to, but haven't actually reissued the tokens yet for that, so we're going to do that too really quickly, because they ended up getting shared with some folks during the debugging process. This would be Airflow dashboard, and we are going to reset client secret. Cool. There's a new client ID. And a new client secret. And we'll get generate new token. Cool. Sorry about that. It's just it's annoying when I accidentally live stream passwords. Ooh, shit, not what I wanted. That's the one we're gonna overwrite. Okay, cool. Settings, let's see if it's a template. Okay, I'm gonna there we go. Okay. Fuck. I'm worried that I'm going to maximize it and it's going to do something annoying. But okay, it didn't, so that's cool. So down here we have Jira watermark and GH watermark is equal to 0. So we're going to add a GitHub watermark. So essentially the PR dashboard won't touch things, won't go in and do things based on old pull requests. It'll only affect new pull requests, and then if we ever want to, we can do something from there. So that being said, let's go ahead and find that logic. Spark, is it Spark PRs? Where are we going? Yeah, it is Spark PRs. It's not Jira API, but it is the one. I'm going to just look for the place where we call start issue. Actually, let's give this a better name. GH update Jira watermark. It's not a great name, but it'll hopefully do the trick. And so this is called inside of tasks. Let's go find tasks.py. And then we're going to go ahead and let's go find Jira. Update PR. Let's go just search for Jira. Okay, let's go search for start issue progress. PR dot and are you okay? And PR number is greater than app.config. You got caught in an iPhone cable? Okay, I guess my wife is talking to someone else. But she doesn't sound dead, so that's good. Oh, wait, yeah. Switch that to and. Okay. And then the other one is link issue to PR. So we'll do the same. And cool. Template, and then we're going to copy the watermark things over into our settings. Oh, actually, there's a different settings file. Hold on a second. Because we make settings.cfg.airflow. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. 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 Sorry, I'm just going to copy some secrets around again really quickly. I know this part is not super exciting, but it's the joys of my life this morning. And then cool. We have new secrets for everyone. Yay! Let's go in. Let's go ahead. Okay, cool. Oh wait. No, that Jira password has definitely changed to you did promise me you would bring me Boo back this morning. Okay, cool. So there we go. That's fun. Okay, git commit -am. Only update new GHPRs with an existing project. Okay, cool. So that's great. Oh, you brought me Rainbow too.
They wanted to stay together, they were playing.
Oh, stuff time. Okay, cool. So we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna run this. It's like gcloud deploy. No. Settings. Okay, cool. And so that'll kick off the PR review dashboard. Oh, cool. I have the dashboard disabled because it went and started doing unexpected things, and I was like, oh god. And it seemed like the wisest thing to do was to just turn it off. But since we know what it did and we fixed it, right? For reals? Probably.
Did you use the iPhone 4?
I did use the broken iPhone 4. Oh, actually, before I do that, yeah, I need to set this to a value that's reasonable so that we don't go ahead and try and backfill the world again. Let's go find Airflow, pull requests.
Should we tell people about the iPhone 4?
We should show them the iPhone 4. Some things are better show rather than tell, is one of the things they taught me at my mandatory training.
I love it.
Yay! Airflow PR dashboard. Cool. Then we're going to go in here. I'm going to go down and find App Engine dashboard. There's a part where I'm pretty sure it's settings. And we're going to enable the application, and I'm going to run this, yeah, cool. And we're going to redeploy. Yay! All right, So we'll get a new version of that up and running. Not at all. Oh, actually, well. Okay, I need to switch this word to true, and then I can run it again and redeploy in a second. And that'll be fine. But with that being said, let's go find another Jira issue to fix in Airflow. Or I'm tempted to just go ahead and, well, while that's running, we have a broken iPhone 4 that we use to fix things.
So this is the broken iPhone 4. It's actually a functional iPhone 5, but we use it to fix things. So like I got chocolate on my Kindle, and Holden's like, here, I fixed it. And that's how you fix things, except currently one of our stuffed animals is using it to keep track of her business of hiding socks.
That's very important. Hi, Holden. Thanks for doing this. Yay, thank you. I'm glad other people like this.
Hello.
Hello, friend. Okay.
I should go do something productive.
I mean, up to you.
Instead, I'm gonna sit here with you.
Our Smart Things hub at home is offline.
Oh, I knocked it over. I'm sorry.
Do you want to plug it back in?
Yeah.
I think it's turned off. So I'm gonna go ahead and there's a bunch of to-dos. Most of them don't have Jira numbers. That's great. Pretty basically, one of the things we could do is go through and put Jiras on all of these to-dos. That is not a lot of fun though. So I'm probably not going to do that. Even though it would be a very useful thing to do, I don't think it'd be a very fun thing for people to watch. So Airflow models.py pickling has been deprecated and JSON is preferred. So that's interesting. And a little confusing. I'm not super sure what they mean when they say it's been deprecated. But let's go take a look at that. Airflow. God damn it. Oh yeah, okay. Sorry. Models.py. Okay. And then somewhere in here is okay, this to-do note. Yeah. Remove deprecated behavior in Airflow 2. I mean, this is another thing which is relatively easy to just go ahead and remove. Oh, cool. Carolyn found a spare UB key.
Oh, it's a new one?
Yeah. It's in its little thing. Do you want a UB key?
No, I have a UB key, but I keep mine in its little thing.
Okay.
I think it's easier to find that way.
Oh wait, no, this is an empty thing with no UB key inside of it.
That's not a UB key?
It's paper that says
I'm
UB
sorry.
key.
I just
It's
saw
okay.
It was blue.
It's trash. It's all right. So this one's pretty relatively easier to do. So what I would do is probably just turn this into an error. Okay, cool. Well, let's go ahead and do that. That one should be pretty simple. I want to double check. I'm going to search and see if anyone else is deprecated. I just want to check and see. No one else is currently doing something that looks like that. It doesn't have a Jira associated with it. If it did, I would go and find that Jira. But since it doesn't, we'll go ahead, we'll file a Jira, and then we'll do that issue. And then we'll do another one, and I'll try and crank out a few PRs. Because you may not know this, it is performance review season at Google. And it turns out that I am highly motivated by money. No, more seriously, actually that's probably true, isn't it?
You have to provide for Boo.
I have to provide for my stuffed animals. They need all the snuggles. Where's Boo? Is she still busy playing?
No, she wants Rainbow to come with her.
Okay, I'm gonna have 2 stuffed animals on my lap.
During sister time.
Yes, okay. And we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna make a new improvement. This priority is trivial. Remove. So let's try and figure out what this behavior is before we straight up remove it. Remove. Okay, so this says base operator post execute takes 2. Okay, remove supporting base operator taking only context. Remove deprecated support for. We'll assign it to me because I'm going to work on it. In models.py, there's a comment. Let's go ahead and put that in code. Mode. Code. Okay. Above a block, which does special case handling for base operators not expecting result being passed in. So, is there like a release notes? Doesn't look like it's. Doesn't look like it's in the repo. It's probably compiled out of the Jira's later. So that's fine. It's an improvement. It's trivial. It's effects version 2. And so we'll go ahead, create that issue, and cool. We'll go ahead and jump on that. Yeah. Sad computer. What is it gonna do? It made its thing. It's made of coffee. Okay. Remove deprecated base operator single param workaround. Cool. And then this is relatively simple. We just do this. And we change the indentation by 1. I'm going to go ahead and remove. Let's just grab the Jira title. That being said, I'm not going to make the PR right away. I'm going to wait for it to kick off Travis CI on my fork because we followed the instructions on how to do that, and I want to see if we got that right. So that's one issue down. Let's go ahead and find another issue. There are... Oh, this is looking... Okay. There are so many issues here. Okay. Oh, this is interesting. Ooh, RBAC utils. Although this has someone assigned to it. Logging cleanup. Raise an error. Oh, yeah, the original thing that I was looking at was the pickling has been deprecated, but then I got distracted because I found something that looked easier. Pickling. So, okay.
What the fuck is pickling?
Okay, so pickling, thanks for asking. Do you know serialization? Okay, so pickling refers to the Python version of serialization, and serialization is just when we take an object represented in like the computer memory, and we put it in a format that we can save it to disk. Because sometimes the computer format.
It's like how cucumbers get pickled and then you can keep them.
Yeah.
Oh. In my kind of engineering, pickling is a treatment you do to metal.
Right, this isn't like treating metal, this is just sadness.
I like pickles, like the food. Pickles are yummy.
Okay, so this says pickling has been deprecated and JSON is preferred. Pickling will be removed in 2.0. So that's pretty intense as far as changes go. But honestly, I mean, not that bad. Okay, I think we can do this one. We're gonna get rid of that. And, oh wait, I'm gonna make sure, oh no, come back, Mr. Computer Thingy. Okay, we're gonna, oh god, I was talking like Elmo last night, and my voice is all fucked up. Ooh.
This is what you get for being a creepy Muppet.
Carolyn does not enjoy creepy Muppet time.
It's scary.
Yeah, okay. Let's check and see if anyone's doing it. Doesn't look like it. No, we're good. Okay. That being said, let's see if there's a Jira file for this anyways. So we're going to search pickling. And project equals Airflow. Nope, I don't want Airflow. Yeah, okay, cool. So none of these cover that, so we're going to make another new issue. Real slowly like. Real slowly like. Ooh. Jira is not always the fastest computer. Okay, let's go ahead and hit create. Do it again. Second time's the charm, right? Panda. Oh, yeah. Okay. Jira just decided that it doesn't want to work right now. So that's fine. Yeah, okay, crap. Yeah, maybe later. Okay. I need to like press some more buttons because my life is full of coffee and mild sadness. Oh wow. This is amazing.
Do you need more coffee?
No, it's fine. I have coffee. Okay. Jira's just not really having a party for reasons that aren't super important. So we'll just get ahead, start, and on working on this. Remove deprecated pickling in, what is this? Model. Okay. Yep. And so we're just not gonna do that. Well, So I'm actually gonna try and be slightly more helpful. Okay. So we're not going to do this. This part's going to go away. We're not going to do a pickle load anymore. But I am going to check this flag here in our accept state. Like if we encounter an error message, we're still going to raise. What's the logger called? Logger, please? Thank God. Okay, self._log.error. Cannot load. Cannot load. Pickling. Cannot load. Requested. XCOM object pickling requested but no longer supported. And so that's the ticket. And so this is just essentially saying, try and do a load with JSON. If it fails, and the person has asked that we have XCOM pickling turned on, tell them why we failed. Like, don't just leave them sad and alone. But it is no longer supported in Airflow 2.0 plus. Cool. Let's go look for other instances of the word pickling. Yeah, that's fine. So, here we go. Self._log.warning. Pickling requested. No longer supported in Airflow 2.0 plus. And so we just oh, I guess it's this is okay, sure. If that's how we get the log, it's fine. We'll just do that over here too. Yeah. So this is no longer true because we don't support pickling anymore. So pickle. Okay, similar logic over here again. Feel like this should maybe be I feel like I can maybe factor this out somewhere. Oh, cool. Oh, sorry. The white background burns every... Oh, I'm sorry. Cannot load. Oh, sorry. Thank you. Thank you so much for pointing that out, and I'm sorry. Cannot load requested XCOM object. Let's do a get diff. Cannot load.
The white background burn?
Oh. Pickling requested no longer supported. Could not serialize XCOM value. Cool. Yeah, sorry, my brain is not super fast, and I'm sorry for the white background. I do it to trick my brain into thinking that this is exciting.
Do you want the light ring?
Yeah, eventually, but I don't know how to set it up. Little boo and
where to
rainbow
set
needs
it up.
snowballs. I was thinking there and just hanging it with like a maybe twist tie, zip tie. Like I could zip tie the top of it here.
Actually, yeah, that's not a bad plan.
Or like, I mean, not the top, but like the part that is normally the bottom. I could zip tie it upside down here to the bed.
Yeah, use zip ties, not twist ties.
Yeah. I mean, those things are fundamentally the same thing, right?
No, they're not. I love you. They're different things.
I love you too. I'm Salary. It's me. Ah, fuck. Okay. Let me get back to pressing buttons. So this actually looks like a pretty familiar pattern, right? We're starting to see this be a common function. And there's this like XCOM base, I think, that these all inherit from. Or this is all just the XCOM function. Okay. Okay. So self-value. What does the other one? Could not load. Enable pickling. Okay, so this is set. Wait. Oh, fuck. What the? Okay. Sorry. Okay. So this, okay, here we go. Yeah, so this is a common function. We're gonna go ahead and make this a class method here because I'm pretty sure I don't want to write this twice. Class method. Oh wait, no, I need to know. This isn't a class method. Okay. Def. Is this a class method? Yeah, it is a class method. Okay. Class method. Def. Hydrate. JSON. Value. So, and then what we do is we go and do this. And then instead of self.value, this is just going to become value.decode. And then if pickling is enabled and there is an error message, we log at the error level, throw the exception. And so then this chunk of code here just gets replaced with no, okay. This becomes a return. And so then self.value is equal to self.hydrate JSON value self.value. That's super confusing. To like take a thing and just, but whatever, that's fine. Here, if result. Okay. Then we're going to do return CLS dot hydrate JSON value result dot value. Okay, cool. It simplifies some things, and then hopefully we can do the same kind of logic down here. Except I actually don't see any references to pickling inside of this. Let me check. Yeah, there's no actual uses of pickling inside of here anymore. Or at least not directly. Cool. Pickle. Okay, so that's a thing. Oh, cool. Hydrate JSON value. Hydrate JSON value, and then I apparently have some extra white space after raise, probably. I don't know why. Okay, cool. And then hopefully by now Jira is having a better day, and we can go ahead and make our Jira issue. So we'll try that. Cool. Then we'll go ahead and hit create. Airflow, priority trivial, improvement, remove, deprecated, XCOM, pickling. Okay, version 2.0. Components. That's an interesting question. I think this is core. Interesting note though is, let's go and take a look. There was a configuration flag, and it's possible it's documented somewhere. And so we should definitely update the document as well while we're doing this. Cool. So looks like that's a no. Not documented. Is referenced in some of the tests though. So I wouldn't be surprised if we see some failures coming out of this. Because the error, yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if we see some errors coming out of the first attempt of this. So we'll push this to my local branch, to my local fork, and then we'll go from there. Assigned to me. Pickling according to comments in the code. Pickling is deprecated and to be removed in 2.0 for XCOM objects. Remove support for pickling, saves and loads. XCOM objects. Okay, cool. And it's a thing. Cool. Another PR. Let's go ahead and check that thing out. Remove deprecated XCOM pickling. Okay. First pass through model.py, removing deprecated XCOM pickling support. Attempt to throw. If we fail to load and pickling is enabled, log at the error level that so the developer can see Okay. Oh. And so this is another one. I don't know if this is good enough. I really need to see the test to trust myself on this one. So we could go ahead and make these PRs. Don't want to do that just yet. Instead, we're going to go and check out Travis. And hopefully, this will show us 2 PRs. Yay. Oh, sad. Okay. So this one's not surprising. Or this one is a little bit surprising. This is from the other PR. Let's see, which PR is this? Add talks to setup.py. Okay. Where does it fail? Like, I really... failed? No, I think that's fine. Okay, ... Test elastic search handler should be unrelated. Test file processing handler error should also be unrelated. Like, these errors don't make any sense. Fuck. I really don't like the fact that it's so difficult to run the tests locally right now, I guess. Although the Docker PR, it looks like, finally made it through, so maybe it's going to be easier to run the tests. But I am, like, these should not be impacted by that. Oh, and it was test reap process group. Fudge. Well, let's restart the job and see what happens. That being said, let's go and take a look at our branches. So this one is remove. There was, did I update the other PR too? Did it just not? My brain is a little slow today. Incubating. Author, Holden. Remove legacy imports. Why did remove legacy imports not kicked off here? Although it does seem like it's doing just fine. I think. Let's go take a look at it. Should I just not push it? That seems also quite possible. Oh no, I did. I guess it just, Travis hadn't really taken a notice to it yet. Okay. This one started before. Okay. But it's not actually building any of these jobs. How are we doing on time? It's 10:11. I'm personally inclined to wait for these to happen. I'm just kind of lazy. This one, there is that, where's that reference? It's there was a thing. Like, it's now possible to run. Maybe it was commented on in the other PR that I created. Let's go take a look. Docker. Okay, cool. This is the one that I want to take a look at. Cool. So yeah, okay. This is great and all. This is the script that is run. Let's try running this. Do I have Docker Compose turned on this, installed on this machine? Okay, what branch am I on? Git branch. I mean, the one which is confusing me the most is this one. So let's check out this branch. And then... Okay, I guess I don't have Docker Compose installed, but that's all right. I can install that quickly. Yep. That's installed. Okay. Go ahead and rerun this. Hi. Download Docker Compose. So where is the Docker file? And the Docker Compose stuff. Okay. db.log metastore.db. Oh, cool. There's actually a guide on how to do this now. Cool. Okay, so, wait. This is... No. Do I have Docker run? I'm pretty sure I have Docker running. Oh, I don't. Wait, really? That's weird. I could have sworn I had the Docker service running on this machine. It's running. Okay, if I run this command. Okay, cd airflow. Oh, no, that's not... Yeah, okay. There we go. This isn't a good thing to do, but... It'll do the trick for now. Cool, that works. Alright, I guess this will take a while. I could also kick off Docker Compose now, probably. But it seems like running the tests from scratch are going to take a long time. And so, as much fun as that is, and we could try and crank out a few other PRs just while we're waiting for Travis, I'm not sure that's the best use of time. let's go ahead and see if there's any starter issues, because we're still kind of new to the project. And if there's something which looks like a really good fit, we'll do it. If not, we'll take this as sort of a wrap-up point. Oh, they're both resolved. They're all resolved. Oh, not this one. Nah, this is already done. Okay. Yeah. Let's try labels. Open. JDBC get first operator. There's a PR for it though. Okay, so tasks marked as successful should have this does not seem like a starter issue. I could be wrong. It's also from March of 2017. I'm also not convinced this is a starter issue. Yeah. Okay, it's also fixed. Okay, someone else wants to do this. It's resolved. Cool. Tag run schedule property should be in its own DB column. Yeah, once again, this is maybe not. These are what I would describe as aggressive starter issues. Or not aggressive, broad in scope. Like, it would be good to have a metric for web server start time. That one's actually maybe pretty okay in terms of that. The problem is, since we run on Travis, we don't really control the environment all that much, so I'm not super sure about that. But let's watch this one, and maybe I'll think of a good way to measure that on Travis. Okay, cool. So that is, I think, it for me today in terms of work that is realistically going to get done. Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So let's go ahead. I have an intro deck, which I also often do as an outro deck, because my memory is not conducive to doing things early in the morning. But it's 10:30, so it's no longer quite as early. Where did? Oh, I have to go find my stuffed animals. I think Carolyn. Oh, okay. No, there they are. So, this is Holden and Boo's super fun live stream. Let's go ahead, drag this one over. What exactly are we going to break today? Yesterday we were working on live streaming tools. Today we worked on Apache Airflow adventures. I am Holden. My preferred pronouns are she or her, and I'm a developer advocate at Google. I'm on the Spark PMC, contribute to Beam, and a lot of other projects. I've worked at a bunch of different companies, and I'm a co-author of 2 Spark books. You can find me on Twitter, SlideShare. These live streams are on Twitch and YouTube. If you want to see videos from my talks, you can see them there too. If you had feedback on the live stream or my talks, I would be happy to have it here. I'm also trans, queer, Canadian, and part of the leather community. And I just think it's important that we, acknowledge and try and make a more diverse open source community. This is Boo. Her name is Boo. She uses she, her pronouns as well. She is the best Doge. and she has lots of experience barking at computers to make them go faster. And she's also on Twitter at Boo Programmer. You can see her hanging out with her friends and other things like that. Yeah. Okay. I think that's a good stopping point for today. It is performance review season at Google, which means I need to go and write my self-review and come up with reasons that I am awesome, even when I don't feel like it. So, thanks everyone for joining me. Oh wait, before I leave you, I'm going to talk about tomorrow. Okay. You can see my taste in bad music and questionable comedy. Tomorrow? Actually, that's not tomorrow. I meant to do something tomorrow. Well, on Friday. I think that's Friday. I'm like 80% sure that's Friday. Yeah, okay, on Friday, I will be doing my regular code review. Tomorrow is my mother's birthday. I should make sure I send her something. And I'm going to do that before I forget. Amazon.ca. I will probably do a quick bit of live coding in the morning. Actually, let's go ahead and make that event now before I forget. We'll go Creator Studio. There's like an events thing inside of here. Okay, live streaming. We're just going to do this really quickly. Events. And we're going to make a new event. And it is going to be updating, handling of... I'm 80% sure I made this event. I'm going to double check one more time. It's not like... Yeah, I guess I just didn't. I meant to. Updating distinct improvements, PR with feedback. PR with feedback. So this will be tomorrow, Thursday at 9 a.m. as well. And so come join me tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. I'll be looking at it's github.com, Apache Spark, this outgoing PR that I have. You can see it has 29 comments. And it's to take advantage of known partitioner for distinct RDDs to avoid a shuffle. The PR is and whatever. I'll write the rest of this later. Thank you all for joining me. Have a lovely rest of your week. I hope to see you tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. And if not, I'll see you all around. If any of you happen to be in New York next week, I will be at StrataConf, New York. I think there's a book signing, which I'll be doing, as well as a talk that I have with Rachel and Anya. And so hopefully we will see you there. I think I want to say it's this day, yeah. So it's Thursday if you want to come join us at 11:20 a.m. So thanks everyone for joining me. Have a lovely rest of your day. For real this time. Okay, bye.